Feeling overwhelmed by all the fancy stock market terms? You're not alone. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll understand the most important stock market terms you must know before investing. Stick around, because mastering these basics can be the difference between success and confusion. Number 1. Why knowing stock market terms is crucial. Imagine walking into a game without knowing the rules. It'd be chaos, right? Well, that's what investing feels like if you don't understand the terminology. Knowing key terms like dividends, bull markets, or P/E ratios empowers you to make smarter decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Ready to level up? Let's dive in. Number 2. Core stock market terms. Here are 8 terms every beginner needs to know. Stock. A piece of ownership in a company. Buying a stock means you own a tiny slice of that company. Shares. These are the units of stock you own. If you buy 10 shares of Apple, you own 10 tiny pieces of Apple. Dividend. Some companies share their profits with investors through dividends, a little bonus for owning their stock. Bull market and bear market. A bull market means stock prices are rising. Think of a bull charging upward. A bear market means prices are falling, like a bear swiping downward. Market cap. This tells you how big a company is. It's calculated by multiplying the price of one share by the total number of shares. P/E ratio. Price to earnings ratio. This tells you if a stock is expensive or cheap compared to its earnings. A low P/E might mean a good deal. IPO, initial public offering. When a company sells its stock to the public for the first time. ETF, exchange traded fund. A basket of investments that trades like a stock. Perfect for beginners who want to diversify easily. Number 3. Commonly confused terms. Let's clear up some common confusion. Bid versus ask price. The bid is the highest price someone is willing to pay for a stock. The ask is the lowest price someone is willing to sell for. The difference is called the spread. Limit order versus market order. A market order buys or sells a stock immediately at the current price. A limit order waits until the stock hits a price you've chosen. Blue chip stocks. These are big, stable companies like Apple or Coca-Cola. Great for beginners. Number 4. Pro tips for beginners. Here's the good news. You don't have to memorize every term out there. Start with these basics, and you'll already be ahead of most beginners. Here's what I recommend. 1. Use beginner-friendly apps like Robinhood or Webull. They simplify the jargon. 2. Keep learning as you go. There are tons of free resources online, like videos, blogs, and podcasts. 3. Don't let terms intimidate you. Investing is a journey, and even the pros had to start somewhere. Alright, you've got the basics down. These terms are your foundation for making confident investment decisions. But remember, investing is a skill that grows with time and practice. If you're ready to start investing, I challenge you to pick one term from this video, research it further, and share what you learned in the comments. Let's learn together. Oh, and don't forget to smash that like button if you found this helpful. Subscribe for more beginner-friendly investing tips. And hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.